ChinaDS, WooCommerce Taobao Dropshipping. You can easily connect your WooCommerce store with the Chrome extension and import unlimited products from Taobao with just a few clicks. With the advanced pricing rule feature, you can easily control your profit margins. For example, if you set a pricing rule for products ranging from 200 to 500 Chinese yuan, when you import a Taobao product with a price in that range, the system will automatically apply the pricing rule you have set for that price range. You can synchronize data for the imported products through the Chrome extension, ensuring that the price, inventory, and other information are always accurately updated. When a customer places an order on WooCommerce, you can automatically use their address information to fulfill the order on Taobao directly through the Chrome extension. And many more features are waiting for you to discover. ChinaDS, the optimal dropshipping solution for Taobao and WooCommerce. Try it now.